Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make seared Wagyu Tenderloin Adobo. And here are the ingredients. 1 pound Wagyu tenderloin, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, and salt to taste. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to slice the steak into 1-inch cubes. Now you're going to thread the cubes into some metal skewers. Now you're going to season liberally with salt. Now you're going to heat up a cast iron pan at the hottest part of the grill and add oil. Now you're going to add the garlic. After about a minute, add the whole peppercorns. When the garlic has browned, add the soy sauce and the vinegar. Now take the pan off the heat and set aside. Now we're going to use some vegetable spray to help prevent the meat from sticking to the grill. Now we're going to sear the steak for about 10 to 20 seconds per side. remove the steak from the skewers and pour the sauce over it. So there you have it, my recipe for seared Wagyu Tenderloin Adobo. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.